The first International Jazz Day was celebrated on April 30, 2012, with events held in over 190 countries around the world. The idea for International Jazz Day was proposed by jazz pianist and UNESCO Goodwill ambassador Herbie Hancock, who worked with UNESCO to establish the day as a way to promote jazz music's role in fostering peace, dialogue, and cultural exchange. The host city for International Jazz Day changes each year, with past host cities including Paris, New York City, Osaka, and Havana. Each year, the celebration includes a concert held in the host city, featuring top jazz musicians from around the world. The 2021 concert, which was held in Cape Town, South Africa, featured performances by artists such as Herbie Hancock, Nduduzo Makathini, and Jacob Collier. In addition to the main concert, International Jazz Day also features a series of workshops and masterclasses held in the host city, which are open to musicians of all skill levels. The 2021 International Jazz Day global host partner was the South African Department of Sport, Arts and Culture, and the celebration was supported by organizations such as the Herbie Hancock Institute of Jazz, the Thelonious Monk Institute of Jazz, and the International Association of Schools of Jazz. In 2017, UNESCO designated April 30th as International Jazz Day in recognition of the role that jazz music plays in promoting cultural understanding, creativity, and dialogue between people of different cultures and backgrounds. International Jazz Day is celebrated by jazz enthusiasts and musicians around the world, with events ranging from concerts and jam sessions to community workshops and educational programs. International Jazz Day also celebrates the rich history of jazz music, which has its roots in African American culture and has influenced a wide range of musical styles, from rock and roll to hip-hop.